Hi there, this is Noelle on the subject of attachment and aversion. And I now live in a village. How cool is that? And we were doing our morning little routine of just checking in on things. And one of the things that came up was how we become attached to the masculine or feminine idea of order and the order and chaos. Even the word chaos, has a negative connotation, and order does too. Law and order, if you feel like authority is a bad thing. So I apparently have an aversion to chaos, even though that is like a feminine thing. And think about birth, all kinds of blood and mess and mayhem, and out of it comes life. And then there's the order of taking care of that baby in the specific ways, washing it and wrapping it and feeding it and everything that has to be done. So it seems that everything always, this is what we sort of were discussing, goes from chaos into order, into more chaos. There's a Remember event we just participated in really talked about this idea that division seems like a bad thing, but it is the basis of life. We've got the sperm and the egg cell coming together, and immediately they separate into two cells, and then 4, then 8, 16, 32, 64, etc. And in that kind of situation, it's all about division, division, division. And then you have division followed by differentiation. Differentiation being you've got stem cells that have no particular idea of where they're supposed to be, and eventually they take on some kind of divinely ordered, I'm an ear, I'm a tonsil, I'm a testicle, whatever the cell becomes. Then that's part of that particular part of the body. Remembering is what we were talking about, and coming together as one in a body. But when you have attachment or aversion to any aspect of actual natural functioning, that is the case of just life itself, that there's going to be chaos, then it's going to be followed by order. The feminine represents more of the flow. Women have diverse, what's that called, diffused awareness. Men tend to be focused because kill the deer. That's borrowed from Alison Armstrong, somebody that I value as a teacher around this masculine feminine stuff. And but females need diffuse attention, because they may be wrangling 5 children from killing themselves at any given point in the day, not to mention stirring a pot and wiping an ass and whatever they have to do. So, but why would I feel like chaos is an offensive thing to call this kind of energy? And I think maybe because it doesn't feel so chaotic if it feels natural to me. Chaos, there might be a kinder word for it, but definitely I had an aversion to the language of chaos. I think I have to go soon. Yes, I have to go very shortly. Males are kind of valued in our culture, so order is better than chaos, but actually both are required for a healthy universe. And I think in attachment and aversion generally, there is a middle ground, or a valuing of both parts of any division, because division equals life. And that's what we learned this weekend. Thank you.